Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the linear inequations. First of all we need to understand what is the meaning of linear and what is the meaning of inequations, right? So what is the meaning of linear? So linear means a polynomial in one variable whose power is 1. Okay, this is the meaning of linear. Now, inequations. Before we understand an equation, first of all, we need to understand that how we can solve the equations. Until and unless we are not able to understand what is equation and how we can solve the equations, we cannot understand inequations and we cannot solve inequations. So here we have already written, first we need to understand how we can solve an equations. Here's an example. Let us suppose first example is 2x plus 4 is equal to 10. Step number 1. 2x 4 we can transfer to the right side. It will become 10 minus 4. When we subtract, we get 2x is equal to 6. Step number 3. X is equal to 2 will go to the division and it will become x is equal to 3. Simple. So by this procedure, we can find the value of variable in a linear equation. Right, let's take another example. 3 minus 2x is equal to x minus 12. So what we need to do first? First of all, we need to collect all the variables in one side and all the constant in one side. Either it can be LHS or it can be RHS. So what we have done, we have taken x to the LHS, it will become minus x. And 3 we have taken to the right side, it will become minus 3. So now what we need to do here, minus 2x minus x will become minus 3. So remember, always same sign always add and opposite sign always subtract. Here minus 12 minus 3 will become minus 15. Now what we need to do in the third step, we need to take minus 3 to the right side and it is in multiplication left side. So what will happen? It will go in the division. So x is equal to 5. Got it? Now let's take another example. Example number 3. Let us suppose minus 2 whole 5 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 2x divided by 3. So how we can solve this equation? This is a mixed fraction. First we need to change into improper fractions. So 6 2s are 12, 12 5 17, 17 upon 6 is equal to, here we have taken LCM 2 and 3. 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So what we can do now, here if you want to make it 6, you need to multiply it by 3 and here multiply it by 3. So it will become 6. So now in the numerator 3 ones are 3, sign is minus, so minus. Here what we need to do, we need to multiply by 2, so it will become 6. Now here we can write down 2 2s are 4x. So minus 17x is equal to 3 minus 4x divided by 6. In here this step, here we can solve this equation by two ways. One thing you can do, you can just cross multiply, or you can do one thing, 6 will be cancelled out. So here we are doing 6 will be cancelled out, and now it minus 17, 3 minus 4x. So now what we need to do, I told you that you can take all the variables one side and all the constant in other side. So here we are doing 4x transferring to the left side and minus 17 transferring to the right side. So 4x is equal to 3 plus 17 and it will become 4x is equal to 20. So x will be, 4 will be in the right side in the division, so 4 5s are 20, so x will be 20. So if you understand how to solve equation, right, here are certain examples. There are 5 questions, and if you want to try, just try and find the value of x. If you able to solve an equation, you can easily solve an equations. So till now, just solve these 5 examples. We will start how to solve linear inequation in another video.